Hello guys, in this video tutorial we want to finish everything about form. We are now going to look about this file, form and buttons, right? We will talk about normal button, reset button and file. We have already talked about this hidden form controls. Okay, back to our code. This time around what I want to do now is to talk about file. Okay, let me use h3. Let me see, upload file. Okay, if you want to upload file in our form, we use this tag, which is also input tag. Okay, input tag this time around we say file, right? Yes. Now we can equally tell our user the kind of file we want the user to input. We can say upload image, upload passport. Okay, let's test our code. You see it here, upload password. Let me break this down so that this register will come down. Okay, I got this. Okay, 1 2 3. This is actually what I need. Okay, I have this now. Upload password. You can now click here and choose a file, right? You can see that this thing is using star, meaning I can select image, I can select music. You see, I don't think do I have music. Let me check. Okay, I don't have music here. I can select even document file. I can select whatever thing I want to and upload. Okay, so that's what that input tag file is. Okay, see mp4 file. I can select it. I can even select zip file. You see, I have selected zip file. I can select anything file at all. But here now I'm using upload password, and I only want to select images. So I have to tell computer the kind of file I want to select. Okay, I have to start writing something like this: accept. In this accept, and I'll start listing the extensions of file that I want. If it's a document file, I can say accept PDF. Okay, look at how we do it. Accept.pdf, comma, .doc, comma, .docs. You know all the format for document file. .txt, comma, .excel, which is this, comma, .rich file. Don't really know the file extension. So once I queue in this, actually I cannot upload anything less than PDF, document file, .s, txt, sl. How do we know? Okay, let me refresh this. Now if I click choose file, you see what I have here. Okay, now these are the ones that are showing. If I go to my download, which is this place, you see all those videos are not showing because it's not what I'm looking for. If I open this video folder, nothing will show because videos are here, but because it's not what I want to upload, it will not even show the video for me. Okay, if I go to pictures, you see pictures in this folder, but if I open this folder now, I will not see that picture. If I open this, I will not see that picture because it's looking for PDF, document file, txt, sls. Hope you understand. So we use this attribute accept to determine the kind of file format that we want to upload. So since this thing is passport, actually we are looking for image. So what we are going to be writing here is the image extension, which is we have .png as an image, we have .jpg as an image, we have .gif for moving image. Maybe these are the 3 types of image we want. So sometimes we tell the user what we want by writing something like this. I break line, I says upload only image. Okay, so we have equally indicate the kind of file we are looking for. Upload only image. I can equally tell the person, look at the image I'm looking for. Sorry guys, I'm having a little catarrh. Okay, in bracket I can say PNG, JPG, GIF. So all this is to make our work to be user friendly, you understand? So I'm telling the user, look at the kind of image I need for you to upload. Okay, I refresh. That's it. Someone might ask me, how do we determine the file size? Like there are some websites that says you cannot upload more than 1 MB. You cannot do this. Okay, PHP can do that for us. PHP is the one that we use to check the file size. We can equally use some frameworks, like there is a one we call Dropbox, a whole lot of them that we can use to check this. But the truth is that HTML cannot check the file size, so HTML doesn't have the option. We can use JavaScript, we can use other stuff to check it. Okay, then input type file also makes use of a name, like I said earlier, makes use of name. We say what will be the name. It makes use of required. Okay, if you really need the user to submit it by fire by force, okay, you use required. I think that's all for the file upload. Okay, back to this place now. We are looking at the buttons, right? Now we have 3 types of button. We have the submit button, which is the one we have been doing here. We have the normal button, and we have the reset button. Okay, normal button is the button that is we call it custom button. You just create the button, it's not doing anything. You now determine what you actually want that button to do. We normally do this using JavaScript. Okay, like I have teach that we have 2 ways of creating button. You can use the one of input type. I can say input type is button. Okay, determine the value now. I can say value simple button, right? Okay, so let me break line here so that we know that the one for submit button is down. Okay, I can equally do it like this. Like I said, can here say now simple button 2. Okay, here now I don't need to put input type. Okay, unless I'm using submit, that's the only time, or I can still use type button, right? Type button, but this time around 2 type. Instead of using value, like I said, you just put what you want to use here. Okay, I prefer this because I can bold this, but I cannot bold this. Okay, so let's test our code. We have 2 simple buttons, right? Okay, now we have another button here. Let me break line. Break line. Okay, let me use this button. I prefer using this. Okay, button tag, let me call it reset. Okay, these are the second button we have, reset button. Okay, we now says the type is reset. Okay, reset. Okay, like I said, this is a simple but it doesn't do anything. But this submit our form, this reset our form. Okay, we are going to write a small JavaScript that will tell us what this will be doing, right? Okay, so let me refresh this code again. Okay, you see we have reset, we have register, we have simple button. Okay, now let me just type something here. Okay, let me select image. Okay, now see, if I click on register, it will try to submit, and it will now start telling me to fill the forms that I have not filled, the form that has required, right? But if I click on reset, it will now reset everything. Remember, I have chosen file, which is 11122. Let me select country, Canada. Let me select this married. Let me click Spanish here and Greek here. Okay, I have written something here. Now if I do reset, everything will be resetted. See, this has cleared. It just come back to the way they are before. No file here again, nothing here again. So that's the function of reset. Reset will clear everything and reset the form for you, but register will try to submit, and it will check whether they are the one that has required to ask you to fill it. If they are the one that has email, I have not actually input email in that place, it will ask you to put the email. But reset will not ask you for anything, it will reset. Now these are the simple button. Actually they are not doing anything. We are the one that will write what we want them to do for us. Okay, so this button is there, a kind of a button for you to customize, to set it the way you want. In this button now, I'm going to just write a simple JavaScript. When we learn JavaScript, we will now understand fully well. I will now do this on click in JavaScript, on click alert hello programmers. I'm just doing this to prepare your mind on how JavaScript work. Okay, so what I am actually doing is to write a simple JavaScript that when you click on this button, it will alert hello programmer. That is when you click on simple button 2. What about when you click on simple button 1, which is normal simple? The first simple button can say on click alert welcome to our website. Don't worry yourself about this. Okay, I just want to give life to this button, and that's all. Welcome to our website. Okay, back to my web and browser. I refresh. Okay, scroll down again. If I click on this, you will see I have this page says welcome our website. That's what I put here, welcome our website. Yes, let me say welcome to our website. Okay, I'm closing something. Okay, I refresh again, scroll down, click this, it says welcome to our website. I say okay, click on the second one, it says hello programmers. You see that actually I have used this, I have given life to this button. So this button are there for you to configure it the way you want. This is for the reset, this is for the submission button. Okay, I think we have finished everything about form. Thank you guys, bye bye.